I show you how to do, how I wash my dishes. Yeah. Food waste. Kasi magbara yun sa sink kung lagi tinatapon dyan. Hindi ko sa food waste namin. Saka ako may magsabon. Sabunan ko muna ito. Ano ba ang mga nanay? Kasi mahal magbayad ng kakaroon dito. Hindi tayo mayaman. Oh boy, can you go out and brush your teeth? We're gonna get ready. Sleep na. We're early because we wake up early tomorrow. Ang inyong when it's time. Linis-linis na sa yung mga lutuan ng mga area, yung mga oil na talsik-talsik, purasan, and that's it. Your day is done. Tomorrow again. Punas. Thank you for the day, Lord of strength and protection and blessings and guidance. Thank you, Lord, for good health every day. And that's it. I'm done.